How to fix Instagram message request failed error. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection, as a weak or stable or unstable network is the most common issue. So make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try to enable airplane mode for 30 seconds and then turn it off again and see if that helps. If not, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram, and make sure that the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app, as outdated versions can cause message errors. The next fix is you can simply open Instagram and then close it from the app switcher, as a simple restart for the app can help you fix majority and temporary glitches that can block message requests. See if that helps, and if not, then open Instagram again and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Further, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and scroll down to the bottom and tap on the log out option and log yourself out and then sign in again, as refreshing your account session often fixes messaging bugs. See if that helps, and if not, then it also could be that you are restricted or blocked from that particular individual. So if the person blocked you, or if you've been restricted by Instagram, then you sent too many messages, then this error can occur. You can simply try messaging another account to confirm. And the next fix for this issue is open settings on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to Instagram and then go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app, as this will help in clearing the cache in the application. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then it also could be that Instagram server status is down, so you can simply wait for the server to work properly. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram message request failed error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.